got this simple pretty makeup from Avon earlier, and I want to show you what it's all about. Okay, so this is the entire kit that they gave us. Dami, no? So they have this simple pretty cheek color blush on, and they have this blendable eyeshadow duo. Cute. And this is my favorite, the concealer stick. Well, not favorite, but I tried this earlier at the event. It's the finish is like powdery, and this is the BB cream, and these cute little things. And I like mood lipsticks. Yeah, they change color when you apply them. Depends on the mood. Yeah. There's this one. And then, oops. And then another one, just so you can see. See, this one is green. Earlier, Kathleen said she's a favorite color, like chameleon or something. I forgot. Anyway, there's this mascara, black. Oops. Long lash, waterproof. Let's open this up. Yes, I'm using one hand. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god. Wait. This is difficult. Haha. There. Yeah. See? How bad? Oop. There. Cool. Okay, let's put it back. Careful. Oops. Wait. Yeah. There you go. And then there's also clear mascara, I think. Yeah. Simple, pretty, clear mascara. And then we go there. This is the lipsticks. Lipsticks. See, it's different color. Oh, this is super red. We also like to wear a red lipstick. Oops. Yeah. That's charming red. Pretty. They have like charming red, and then there's incredible, irresistible. What's that? Raspberry. Jeez. Bless you. And then there's the pretty plum, and then there's the lovely pink. Okay. And then we go to the Eyes on Me Shine More Press Powder with SPF. There. Cute. There. Check it out. There. Yeah. This is the natural. And this one is the Blush You. Ano ba yan? The soft bisque. There. I don't know what is soft bisque. And then there's the, oops, sorry for the shaky stuff. What's this? Almond. Yeah. What's this? I do pencil. Cuteness. See that? And of course, the star of the show is Kathryn Bernardo's lip gloss. Yeah, there. It has his signature in there. See that? You see? Kathryn Bernardo, Simply Pretty Strawberry lip gloss. There. Cutie gloss. There. That's smells like strawberry. There you have it. Yet brought to you by Avon, Simply Pretty. And that's me, Earth. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.